the story of the company?
The company was started about a little over 3 years ago, and the story behind it is that me and my co-founder, we ran into this problem that we just couldn't figure out a way to solve that using the existing solutions that existed in the market. The problem was that we had a certain amount of data that we needed to be backed up off-site and available from everywhere for backup purposes. And the solutions in the market were either we buy some external storage and make copies of our data and manually move it to somewhere, or use some sort of a online or cloud storage service. The pricing on the online storage service was prohibitively expensive. To just give you an example, about 3 years ago, you could buy 1 terabyte for about $100, and if you were to back up that 1 terabyte into the cloud, at that time, you had to pay somewhere in the orders of several $100s every month to back that 1 terabyte into the cloud. Now, 3 years forward, you can buy 2 terabytes for $100. And now you have to pay the same several $100s, right, multiplied by 2 to back it up to the cloud. So the problem is that local storage is getting cheaper and cheaper, but the cloud storage remains very expensive and several orders of magnitude expensive. So we looked at that problem and said, cloud storage is great. We want cloud storage because it's off-site, it's always available. It enables scenarios like sharing. But if it's going to cost several orders of magnitude more than local storage, people are not going to adopt it. So we have to create a service where cloud storage is at the price of local storage. Yes, it is very similar to the idea of creating a grid. Most of the grid computing systems were focused on grid within a given network, right? A corporate network or things like that. We have essentially created a storage grid across the internet where it's a decentralized system where it's not a single customer, it's not within a single customer's network, it's over the internet. So customers contribute their local storage and we've created a storage pool across the internet. Business model is very simple. Customers contribute storage into the network, and in return, we give them off-site backup, cloud backup for free. Okay? So for every 2 terabytes that you contribute to the cloud, you get a terabyte of backup for free. Right. So the way we look at right now, our focus is to build the world's largest storage system. We believe that it's the most economical and scalable way of building a storage system rather than storing data in data centers. As we build more excess capacity into the network, we believe that we can offer a very economical storage platform to ISVs and application vendors to take advantage of this storage to offer applications and services to customers. And we will monetize that storage through those application vendors.
Thank you.